How does probate work when you inherit a property? Imagine receiving a house as a gift from a loved one. You might think the keys are yours instantly, but there is a process called probate that often comes into play. Probate is a legal step that makes sure the property goes to the right person, following the wishes of the person who passed away or the laws of the state. It's part of estate planning and helps families keep their legacy intact across generations. When someone dies, the first step is to open a probate case in court. If the deceased left a will, the person named as the executor files a petition with the probate court. If there is no will, the court appoints someone called an administrator to handle the estate. The court then officially recognizes this person to act on behalf of the estate. Next, the executor or administrator gathers all the assets of the deceased, including the house. They need to identify, locate, and value everything. This might involve getting the property appraised to determine its worth, which is important for tax purposes and fair distribution. During this time, the estate also pays off any debts or taxes owed, like property taxes, income taxes, or money owed to creditors. Clearing these debts is necessary before the property can be transferred to heirs. Once debts and taxes are paid, the remaining assets, including the house, are distributed to the heirs according to the will or state laws if there is no will. The court reviews the process and ensures everything was handled correctly. The executor then submits a final accounting to the court, showing how the estate was managed. If the court approves, it closes the case, and the property officially transfers to the heirs. Sometimes, probate can be avoided. For example, if the property was owned jointly with someone else and had rights of survivorship, it passes directly to the surviving owner. A transfer on death deed is another option that allows the property to go straight to a named beneficiary without court involvement. Setting up a living trust is also a way to bypass probate entirely, as the trust holds the property and transfers it directly to beneficiaries after death. For many Black families, property is more than just an asset. It's a symbol of achievement and a way to build wealth for future generations. Knowing how probate works helps families protect their property and legacy. During the probate process, it's important to keep up with mortgage payments, property taxes, and insurance to avoid losing the property. Maintaining the property's condition is also key if it's to be sold or passed down. Working with trusted legal and financial advisors can make the process smoother and ensure the family's wishes are honored. In the end, understanding how probate works when inheriting property helps families make smart decisions, avoid delays, and keep their legacy alive. It's a vital part of estate planning and building wealth that can benefit future generations in the community.